This voiceover is going to be recorded with the microphone we are reviewing. Welcome to the Maono AU-A04TR microphone review. This microphone costs around $27 at my time of purchase. That is so cheap for a condenser microphone. But the quality you are hearing right now is definitely not cheap. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the front of the box. The bottom, I have totally no idea what this means. The side and another side, the top and the back. Inside the box, we have a manual. Silica gel. The microphone itself. The mic is made of metal casing. It can be connected to PC with USB cable. The back doesn't have anything, which made figuring out the front and the back of microphone much easier. A wind foam to cut that P-pop. Let's install it. Then we have a tripod mounting kit, a USB-A to USB-B cable, the tripod itself, let's install the tripod. Screw the mounting link to the tripod. Then screw the microphone to the link. Adjust the position, then lock it in. You are done. Now plug in the USB to the mic and your computer, and let's test the sound. Remember that this is a cardioid mic. To put it simply, it's going to record only the front of microphone. Anything behind the back, and it's going to cut that noise. Testing the level of microphone. This is my voice when I whisper into the microphone. This is my voice when I speak normally. This is my voice when I speak really loud. Okay. People were pleased to find that Peter Piper had picked up cover page for fellow fans at LibriVox. Thankful that this was Thursday the 30th. The Piper anticipated forum fun and a wonderful weekend of recording. This is a test by Sky. Had it been an actual LibriVox contribution, it would have been a public domain text, previously published and probably interesting. People were pleased to find that Peter Piper had picked up cover page for fellow fans at LibriVox. Thankful that this was Thursday the 30th. The Piper anticipated forum fun and a wonderful weekend of recording. This is a test by Sky. Had it been an actual LibriVox contribution, it would have been a public domain text, previously published and probably interesting. Now I'm gonna stand far away from the microphone to see how good it is from a distance. At least a proper distance. This is my voice when I whisper into the microphone. This is my voice when I speak normally from a far distance. Should be fine. This is my voice when I speak really loud from far away. Okay, how was that? Now let's do the noise test. Before we do the noise test, in my room there are only two noise that are on all the time, and one of them is an air conditioner. Another one is the air purifier. The air conditioner is pretty loud, so maybe the microphone, did it pick it up? I don't know. I will have to check the record when I edit. Anyway, let's do proper noise test right now. I'm going to turn on a cow noise that will gradually increase as I read a quote in my normal voice. It's going to come out from my speaker, and it's going to be behind the microphone. I'm going to have to hold my microphone to create a further distance from the speaker. Don't worry, I'm going to hold it real still. I'm not gonna freaking check it or something. I have this constant fear that I'm never going to forget him. The way his brown eyes pierced mine, or his goofy grin that always made my heart beat 10 times faster. And what sucks the most is that he was never mine to begin with. I fell hopelessly in love with him. It's been 2 years and I can't forget him. And in the middle of the night, when everything is quiet and everyone asleep, I think of him. Even if I don't realize it, he finds his way back into my memory to the point where it makes me sick to my stomach and I can't breathe because I don't want to love him anymore. And it sucks because I thought I was forgetting him. I was finally happy, and then my memory of him comes back, and I'm sitting in the corner of my room, tears pouring down my face, and my throat burns because I'm screaming to the ceiling, begging myself to forget him. And I hope that I will. Excerpt from a book that I will never write. Thank you. Okay, now everybody shut up. That feel like I was reading in a school or something with all that noise. And I'm sitting in the corner of my room, tears pouring down my face, and my throat burns because I'm screaming to the ceiling, begging myself to forget him. And I hope that I will. Excerpt from a book that I will never write. That was as expected from a cardioid microphone. It's going to cut the background noise and record only the font as intended. I think we cover all aspects of this microphone already. So, in the end, this microphone is such a bargain that it made you question, do I really need any higher quality microphone than this? Unless you are looking to record a face-to-face interview or having many people surrounding the mic. I don't think any mic can beat this one, considering the price to performance ratio. I highly recommend this microphone to podcaster, streamer, musician, pretty much anyone who need a good cardioid microphone like this one. You can't find anything that beat it at this price range. So what do you think about this mic? Is it good or is it bad? Leave your comment down below. And hey, if you like this video, then why not hit that like button? And if you want to see more from me, then why not also press that subscribe button? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.